US crude had breached the support at $86, very strong support, and if you recall, I had told you below 86 we can look forward to 84, and below that we can see a good drop. Let's see if it does today. And yes, NG has broken this resistance at $9, trading above at 9.3. I hope you all profited. What is going to happen today? Which position you should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. And yes, if you are not subscribing, definitely you are committing a mistake by, and yes, if you are missing to subscribe, you are missing the profits, so do not commit this mistake. Let's start. First look at US crude, then followed with we'll see UNG. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. This is the hourly charts for US crude. Now you can see it has created a base at 85.6, trying to rise, and then it is looking forward to retrace again. So it is retraced, now looking a drop there. Remember, it has already breached a long-term support at $86 levels, and it traded below this zone till towards 85.5. And now the resistance at 87 will come into picture on the upside, and then 87.5. I have told you multiple times, 87.5, 88.5. These two levels you should watch out for. Beyond that, we can look forward to $90. But let's be cautious. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is again overbought, trying to look downwards. MACD willing to converge, crossover. RSI looking downwards, and moderate bearishness is still there. If you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise similar formation. On it has retraced and now trying to trade with a drop. Look at the candle size diminishing, indicates after this rise this is the retracement, and then it will take a green candle. Possibly we may see 87.5 levels again. Yes, with the stop loss at 86. Yes, we may try to initiate a long entry there. Let's have a more detailed look. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is at bottom, trying to rise. MACD bearish, RSI flat but near to bottom. Most indicators are at bottom right now. Now look at the moves in 3-hour chart. You will find this is all the bearish move, then a retracement and consolidation, then a bearish move. Now it is trying to retrace and consolidate. So this is the way it is trading right now, and strong bearish moves are seen after the consolidation. Now again it is trying to consolidate, then we can again look forward to the move which we are waiting. But right now if you look at the 3-hour charts, it is giving you lower highs, higher lows, trying to consolidate a bit. Only short entry is below 86, and yes, probably till the time, and only long entry is above 87. Beyond 87, yes, there are resistances at 87.5, 88, 88.5, these three levels, and then 89 will come into picture. Once it breaks past 89, a stronger bullish move can be seen. Till the time it is below 89, we have to be very cautious out there. And below 86, remember 86 is a very strong support. It is breached once, it does not mean that it can sustain these levels. It has to sustain this level before it tries to decide a direction. But below 86, again it will call for a good move. Then we can look forward to 85.5 and 85 levels, and then 84 is must. So 84, see my long term target, I have told you many a times in my weekly daily analysis, I will be looking forward to $80 levels on US crude soon. But let's see if it does this week, next week, when it comes. But $80 levels is a must, which I am targeting since 120 levels. Almost 50% of the profits I have delivered you for free. Likewise, many other targets which you have achieved on Dow Jones, Nasdaq, this is one target which I will be waiting to achieve. Now look at the directional movement is bearish still, and if you look at the stochastic is at bottom. The MACD trading bearish. It is trading with a bearish bias and divergence. RSI trading flat near to bottom there. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, it is trying to take a shape. Probably it can come back till towards 85.8. So yes, as I said, we found out a good entry on the downside. But remember, see, it has got the support there at 85.8 again, and rather those who wants to trade safe only, I'll recommend a good entry below 85.5. Rather be cautious, because see, we have to preserve our capital. If it bounces back from 85.8, hardly anything, but then you have to ensure that you put your stop loss at cost and preserve your capital. So rather than 86, you can go short at 85.5. That should be a safe entry. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic again oversold. MACD is bearish, RSI is at bottom. And look at the daily chart. See, the new candle on this chart is yet to form. Remember, there is crude data about to get released today. Later in the day, it may have some impact in the market. Look at so far US crude trading in this channel here. And if you look at the channel, See, this is the channel which it has formed, and the highs of this channel now at 93 levels, 92, 93 levels. This is going to be a stronger resistance. The support there at 85 is strong, and probably taking the support from here. See, the new channel, the new candle is yet to form, and see how beautifully it takes a support, rise, retraces, and then drops. Lower lows are getting created, probably a retracement again, and can rise till towards 1992, and from there again we can see a retracement only breaking 94. You can consider that should be a bullish reversal, and specifically 96 levels. So right now for the day it appears you can remain long with the stop loss at 86, but then you have to be watchful of 87, 87.5, 88, 88.5, 89, and then beyond that 90 level. So every $0.5 there is a resistance till 89. Then we can look forward to 90. Beyond 90 we can expect 91.2 and 92 levels should be very strong resistance on the upside. So one can take the position accordingly. On the downside you have to be watchful. Yes, below 85.5 you can go short. Below 85.5 you have to ensure that you are taking a good short position. Then we can look forward to $84 levels, and below 84 it may hit 82 and $80 levels. If not today, tomorrow, some point of time we may see it hitting those levels. So yes, below 85.5 you can go short, stay short, trade with the stop loss, as the crude data and inventory data may bring some volatility later in the day. You can trade accordingly. Till the time it trades above, we have to trade with a caution. So do not trade between 85.5 and yes, above 86.5 you can initiate a long entry. Be watchful of 87, 87.5, 88, 88.5, 89 levels. Till 89 it has got stronger resistance. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Now let's have a look at NG, and yes, do not miss to become a patron. That will support definitely the effort which I am putting into delivering without fail daily. If you appreciate the effort, do become a patron. There you can get many benefits, including you can reach out to me directly there via personal one-to-one message definitely, and the cost is hardly anything, $7 a month. I hope you all can support the cause. Now look at the hourly chart. See, NG on the hourly charts have a resistance at 9.4, and yes, with the resistance at 9.4 it is trying to retrace. It is bullish so far, trading above this zone. This is the support at 9.18. This is going to be the stronger support. This is the 20 period moving average, which it is trying to trade above, and which is trying to give a very strong support. So let's be watchful. Only long entry very clear above 9.4. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic again looking downwards. MACD willing to converge, crossover for a sell entry on the hourly charts. RSI overbought, probably it can cross over for a sell entry, and it can try to drop a little before looking forward to a rise. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see the bearishness is diminishing here. It is retraced, but the bearishness has diminished, and it is trying to take a support here. So in fact, if you look at lower highs are getting created, flat bottom. So below 9.3 yes you can go short, and above 9.4 you can go long, but be watchful. At 9.4 definitely a stronger resistance exists. Below 9.3 definitely you can wait for 9.25, 9.2, and then we can look forward to 9.1 and $9 levels. Directional movement extremely bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI overbought. Likewise, if you see on the 3-hour charts, if you see the 3-hour chart, see the bullishness here is diminished, and it is trying to retrace. Also, this could be a flag formation from here. Once it breaks past 9.35, 9.4 zone, definitely we may see it starting another bullish rally. And yes, remember, it is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands, and the channels indicate there could be a pullback also. See, it has seen the rise from here. It has created a vertex out there. Probably the retracement from here can be seen. Then we can expect it to hit 9.2, which is a good support, and below 9.2 if it drops, we can see it coming to 9.19 dollar levels. $9 levels is the next milestone which might try to achieve. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish, willing to converge. RSI overbought on the 3-hour charts. Multiple indicators overbought. Achieves, it has seen the high. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts too, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands and the channel. Definitely a pullback can be seen. We can stay short till the time it trades below 9.35. Definitely one can stay short, and then my target is towards 9.2, and below 9.2 also. See, it is trying to trade in this channel. If it breaks below 9.2, we can expect a good drop which might bring it till towards 9.1 and $9 levels, and in fact it can drop till towards 8. And if you look at the directional movement, this is bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is overbought, multiple indicators, all the time frames is overbought. Probably with the stop loss at 9.35, we can see a little drop before it looks forward to a rise. Good support at 9.2 exists, and then 9.1 and 9, and 8.9 is the strongest support which it might get. Look at the daily chart. See, after a retracement, it is given a breakout, couple of strong bullish candle. Also, it has formed a double top out there. Double top indicates if it breaks past 9.5, yes, you can expect a bullish move. So for today you can go long above 9.4 itself, and yes, beyond 9.4 you can again expect it to rise. However, I think probably it is seen the double top out there. We can see a retracement from here, and largely you have to be watchful till $9 and 8.9. These levels should provide very strong support. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is overbought, MACD has crossed over, and this is a bullish cross. It is divergent, indicating more bullishness. RSI trading with a bullish bias. Considering this, for now you can expect that with the stop loss at 9.35, probably we can see a little drop. It may come back till towards 9.25, 9.2. And then on the downside below 9.2, you can expect a further drop for 9.1 and $9 levels, and then 8.9. 8.9 very strong support. It can reverse from those levels possibly. On the upside, you have to be watchful of 9.4. See, till it is above 8.9, I will not consider that as a bearish move for the week, and it can bounce back. And yes, on the upside, you have to be watchful of 9.4. Beyond 9.4, you can take a long entry, and then you have to expect that 9.5 should provide a resistance, and then obviously beyond 9.5 there is a resistance at 9.6. Beyond that, definitely till 5 and hit towards 9.8 and $10 levels. If not today, tomorrow possibly we may see it achieving those levels. So trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Initially we may see a little bearishness, but only long entry is definitely above 9.4. If you see it trading above 9.4, just go long. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, 15 days, 90 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what to get. Join my VIP singles group. Also, you can support the effort by becoming a patron. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.